Good morning. Happy Sunday. I just got back from the gym, and as you can tell, I have clothes everywhere. I'm packing for my trip, but I was just going to make a smoothie, maybe some breakfast. I'm not sure. I'm on this chocolate strawberry smoothie kick, and I'm going to show you guys how I make that. And then we might make a little breakfast. Then I'm going to go to my office and work on some hoodies. So I thought I might just take you along. Anika says hello. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. So I already took my greens and stuff for the day. I did it before I went to the gym, but I've just been mixing all three of these together. This is creatine and then collagen. And I do the unflavored collagen because sometimes I'll put it in my smoothies, but both the creatine and the greens, I do raspberry lemonade, so it's just really good all together, and then it's easy to knock it all out in one. Sometimes I'll put it in a shaker, but also sometimes if I'm home, I'll just mix it in a glass with my hand blender. But these are really nice for on the go. I actually just got this one, and I have another one, so now I have two. So I'm going to take both of those on my trip, and I have all of my samples. Every time you order, you get to pick 2 samples for each product. So usually I get quite a bit of items, so I get to pick a lot of samples. So that's nice. I already have all of these, so I don't have to like scoop this out into baggies. So this is really nice. I'm really glad that I have these just to take for the trip. I might have to put a couple things in baggies in my protein, but that's okay. This is the protein that I'm gonna do for my smoothie. I just got this one, chocolate milkshake from 1UP, the ISO one. I also have the vanilla ice cream one, and I really love this one too. But I just wanted to try this one, and I just like it for something different. I decided we're just gonna get this right back on out, and we're gonna make some waffles because it's Sunday, so we're making protein waffles. This was my first time doing cinnamon in it. Like, whoa. And we're doing that from now on. headband. Twisted it at the top because it's just a regular one. But I kind of like it. I kind of think it's cute. I love the color. So we're going to wear it. And I think it just adds to when you have a bun. Okay, these are my Lululemon Groove flares, and they're the split ones. And these are my absolute favorite. I love these. I have so many of these in different colors. I have some that are the flare and some that aren't. And I have, this one is a size 4. This was the first pair I got. I wish I would have gotten a 2 in this, but it still works. But the rest of them, I have a size 2. So, and I would say that I am normally a size 2, so I would say they're pretty true to size. But they are pretty stretchy, so I wish that this was a size 2, but I did get a 4 in this. But they still fit. I mean, they're fine. But just for not having to pull them up in wet-wise. But yeah. Hey, what a Sunday fit. I just demolished the rest of my Chipotle office now. This has been my favorite. So many energy drinks, but there are so many that have such bad things for you in it. I'm trying to stay away from sucralose, if that's how you pronounce it. And this is one I found that I don't see it in it. So, and it tastes really good. It's blue raspberry. I love blue raspberry, or I love blue. So it's really good. I mean, it's decently a good option for energy drinks. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna go to the office, we're gonna get some work done. You gonna get some work done? Are you gonna get some work done with me? Sit, Nika, sit. Oh, it's a good girl. For a little bit. Okay. It's a little after 7, and I just realized that I have not ate supper yet. I really haven't ate too much today. I've kind of showed you guys all what I have eaten today. Yeah, that's all I've eaten. And so we're gonna make some supper. I'm gonna do some chicken and just some green beans. I was gonna make some rice, but I won't be able to eat the whole bag, and since I'm leaving tomorrow, so while that's cooking, I'm gonna continue packing. And I'll kind of show you guys what I have packed, what I'm going to bring, and that's about it. Prettiest thing ever, but if I had spinach, I would have put that with the chicken to just have a little bit more with it. And then I just added some honey mustard. And we have someone patiently waiting. Are you waiting for chicken? And I know this did not look like much. It did not look like much, but this was freaking good. I put the coconut aminos on the chicken as it was cooking, and then I also put it on the beans. Perfect. So I'm going to Arizona tomorrow till Thursday. My family's going there for a vacation just to kind of get away. My aunt and uncle and my cousin live there, so we're going to stay with them. And my parents are staying longer, but I'm leaving Thursday and flying to Dallas for one of my best friend's bachelorette parties. So it's just gonna be a crazy week. So I hope to do some vlogging and bring you guys along for some of it to show you what we're doing, outfits that I brought, just traveling, and hopefully it's gonna be a great time. This is my current packing situation. So I'm putting together some outfits. This stuff needs to be hung up. These are extra hangers because I'm trying to get rid of clothes. This is really embarrassing. This is the pile of clothes that I'm getting rid of. I also have a pile of clothes that I need to hang up out here. And we're just, we're trying to figure it out here. So this is laundry. This is not all that I'm taking. I don't have really anything that I'm taking ready. We got a vlog on though, and we're gonna get it done. We're gonna accomplish it. But I have these two I think I'm taking for sure. I'm maybe gonna wear this in Arizona, but I think I'm for sure gonna wear this for the brunch at the bachelorette party. All right, I am just going to end this vlog here. This is like my first official day in the life vlog. It wasn't too much, but I just thought I might as well. Why is that? Keep doing that. Start it off somewhere. Got to start somewhere, right? I hope to do some vlogging and show you guys what's going on this week while I'm away on my trips. And I just need to buckle down because it's like 8:30 and I'm not going to have too much time tomorrow after I go to the gym and kind of get stuff squared away at my office and then get ready to go. So yeah, I'm going to finish packing here and get stuff picked up around the house, and we're gonna have a good vacation. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.